Now, for those nippers that the just cutting the face did not take care of, you place them in, you lock them down in the A-clamp. Now, I will kick the angle. I came down to 15 degrees. Most nippers are either at a 10 or a 15. Seems like the higher the quality of nipper, the higher the angle. It comes up to about a 15 on good quality. On the lower quality, it's down around the 10 degree mark. So all I do, once again, I'm going to line up with the wheel. Now this I've never mastered doing freehand. I have to use the clamp every time. Now, there. I did that side. Now I'll go 15 degrees the opposite way. I come in and I line up with the wheel. This is a little more difficult with a camera in here, but I get it running. There, I've recut the inside of that side. I can lift it over, check out that I've cut all the way, front to back on both sides. Remove it from this clamp, and like I told you, I really don't use the B clamp. It is there for stability and when you start out, but what I'm able to do is set my hands here for a good steady position and recut the face. There, I've recut the face. Now this one would be ready for testing and then buffing.